The construction industry, as well as related trade sectors such as electrical contracting, is being transformed by technology. Numerous novel technological instruments have been introduced in this subject, but there are also some noteworthy fresh discoveries. All of these changes are affecting how electrical construction is done, as well as how electricity is generated. Overall, they encourage greater efficiency during the construction phase as well as during building turnover. Stay tuned to find out new electrical technology that's making electricians' lives easier and all around better. Smart grid. The smart grid, you may have heard of it before, is nothing more than a transformation of the old grid. Essentially, it has improved communication between the electric provider and the client by utilizing sensors and smart meters that are linked to smart products at home and at work. It has converted readings to digital format, making it easier and faster for the power company to provide the necessary power flow. Electrical subcontractors can use this new grid in their electrical system design to make living in a building more convenient. Flexible generators. Without moving anything, solid-state devices turn heat straight into electric bolts. Inorganic semiconductors are used to make these. Polymers are appealing materials because of their low thermal conductivity and flexibility. These characteristics enable a clever design for such high-performance devices, as they operate without active cooling, lowering production costs. In addition, researchers have developed a P&N type semiconducting polymer with high ZT values. Thermoelectrics are still limited to a niche application, but they can sometimes replace batteries. This is why polymers are so appealing. This frees up space in wearable tech, such as both jewelry and clothing. They can be used to send heat and cold pulses to the body, similar to a personal thermostat. It will be finished with modern inorganic thermoelectric technology, although this technology results in large ceramic structures. Plastics and polymers are both practical and fashionable. However, they are not perfect for grid-scale applications, but they'll save you a lot of money. Drones and robotics. Robots are now being employed to replace human labor in order to make work more efficient and accurate. However, in the electrical professions, robots are being used to prevent accidents and deaths in areas where there are several electrical dangers. Drones are also becoming a big element of the electrical subcontractor monitoring process. These UAVs, or unmanned aerial vehicles, are used to take images and videos of the site to provide a clearer picture of the project to the project manager, even if they are unable to visit the site. This is also true for electrical subcontractors, who may be working on multiple projects at once. Crew workers can use drones to gather photographs from hard-to-reach areas on the construction site instead of utilizing typical mobile cameras or DSLRs to document progress. A utility pole climbing robot is another potential application of technology that's still in the prototype stage. When electrical engineers operate with power lines, these robots will be used. This robot allows the engineer to operate at a safer height while also improving working conditions. Both industrial robot applications increase the safety and well-being of electrical engineers without displacing them. The fear of being replaced is a major problem in this sector when it comes to bringing in robots and technology. This technology will not put these professionals at risk of being replaced if they use it. Electrical engineers have a unique set of skills and knowledge that can't be duplicated by robots. Robots help ensure better safety for the workers along with consistency and efficiency. However, it must be said, the introduction of robots could take over important roles plumbers do, which would reduce the amount of jobs available. Scheduling software. You should provide your electrical workers with a digital tool that will act as a reference for their assignments and deadlines so that they can stay on track. Paper documents are already outmoded, and they have been shown to be ineffective when it comes to information transmission. First, when compared to the data used in the office, entries on paper documents can be old and inaccurate. Changes can occur at any time. Therefore, having software that can update new files instantaneously would be beneficial. Second, a cloud-based electrical subcontractor scheduling software allows the subcontractor to get real-time updates on concerns and keep track of important information and progress without having to visit the job site. As you may be aware, walking across a facility might take up to an hour or more, making daily accomplishment checks time-consuming. Electrical subcontractor scheduling software like ProCrew Schedule focuses on accuracy, efficiency, and real-time collaboration and communication. Solar cells. There are so many greener and more sustainable ways to get energy along with being very cost efficient. While the sun offers a substantial quantity of energy in the form of heat and light, wind and water can be harnessed to generate power through movement. Photovoltaic, or PV cells, a type of solar cell, turn light into electricity. Semiconductor materials like silicon are used in these PV cells. Alright, we're going to get a little technical here, but when light is absorbed by a semiconductor, electrons in the material move. Solar cells are adaptable in terms of portability and size. Large solar panels with hundreds of cells can be manufactured in a factory and marketed to be spread across land or mounted on a roof. These massive panels are used to power houses and businesses, and they need to be updated every 30 years or so. Small solar panels with just a couple cells can power independent items, such as calculators and outdoor lighting. Even though sunlight is a clean and sustainable energy source, it isn't enough for those who want to utilize electricity at night or on overcast days. Solar panels are typically used as a backup power source for buildings that are already connected to the grid. However, a few people choose to go completely off the grid, storing solar-generated electricity in rechargeable batteries when the sun isn't shining. Energy-efficient lighting. The LED is still regarded as one of the most significant advancements in the electrical world. LEDs have significantly reduced energy use in buildings, and they even produce greater light quality than standard fluorescent lamps. LEDs also have a longer lifespan and are safer to use. Electrical experts anticipate that LEDs will become more popular in the future, and that they will be utilized in smart systems that can be controlled remotely by heat or by voice. In fact, Alexa-enabled LEDs are currently being used in homes and vehicles for more convenient control. Wireless LEDs are also planned to be developed in the next few years, allowing for up to 70% faster installation in structures. A smart helmet. In the construction and electrical sectors, augmented reality is swiftly reclaiming its proper place. Daiquiri is one of the companies that makes smart helmets with augmented reality glasses to help electricians work more efficiently. Daiquiri, like other industrial-grade AR glasses, has cameras, sensors, and smart features that allow electrical workers to determine the exact placement of ducting and electrical cabling required in a structure without having to look at the model many times. Finally, it gives you a hands-free way to review documents while you're on the job. As you can imagine, this would make life so much easier for electricians, and also their safety and accuracy. But these are only a few examples of emerging technologies that have the potential to have a significant impact on the trade. Despite the fact that more technical innovation is projected in the next few years, the electricians who are first to use these innovations will have an advantage in the worldwide market. And there you have it, everything you need to know about some electrical technology that's coming out and becoming more and more popular that is making the lives of electricians so much easier. Make sure to let us know your thoughts down below. Which one of these electrical technologies surprised you the most? Which one interested you the most? Did we forget any important ones? Let us know. But if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss any of our new and upcoming content. Thanks for watching. If you're already an electrician running your own business or just about to start and grow your own electrical business, you must learn the 4 critical things electrical business owners wish they had learned before starting an electrical business, so you don't make the same mistakes. Electrician Accelerator have put together a free training video you can watch for free right now that will show you exactly how to start, grow, and build your electrical business the right way, so you can consistently guarantee profitable work, free up your time, all whilst reducing stress levels and allowing you to have sustainable and more profitable business that works for you. In this free training video, you will also learn how to generate a steady stream of jobs on demand and with predictability month after month in your local area without relying on word of mouth and referrals, how to stop competing on price with other electricians and escape your competition, how to convert at least 90% of your quotes and estimates into sales, how to command premium prices and attract high-quality customers that will be happy to pay you more. Click on the link in the description below the video.